Surprise! Hello, Amani. What is it? Have you got a big surprise today?
Yeah.
Wow, and what have you got there? Is that Minnie Mouse?
Yeah.
Hello, Minnie.
It's falling.
Oh, it looks so cute. Hi. What do you think is inside the surprise today?
I think Finding Dory. Shall we see what's in it?
Yay! Yay! Shall we open and have a look to see what's inside?
Yeah.
Yay! Come on then. What is it, Amani?
A Dory quad.
Wow! Is that a Finding Dory quad?
Yeah.
Wow, that looks beautiful. Disney Pixar Finding Dory quad.
No, put it on for me, people.
Wow! Hey, are you putting the wrapping paper on Mickey Mouse?
Yeah.
Is that her blanket?
Yeah.
That's a cool idea. Hey, would you like to open it to see what's inside? Let's see what's inside, Amani.
Some Dory
Wow!
Dory stickers.
Dory stickers. What else is there?
And this, look.
Is that the handlebar of the quad? Yay! Wow! Is that the seat and the seat cover and the instruction manual?
I can
Whoa! Look at that! Is that the main body of the quad?
I can do it.
Yay! Well done!
Some Dory wheels. Now
Do you want to tip the box?
yeah.
Yay! And see what else is inside. Whoa! Wow! What's inside, Amani?
This is the two wheels.
Is that the axle?
That looks
Like a walking stick? Hey! Okay, how many wheels have you got? Can you count them?
two walking sticks.
2 walking sticks, yay! Okay, Amani, what have you got there?
I'm making a tower.
How many wheels are there?
3.
4! Yay! Wow, you made a tower.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, what else is there? Where's the charger?
Oh,
Can you see the charger?
I'm gonna.
Hey! Woo! Woo! Is that the charger?
Yeah,
To
but-
charge the quad? Wow! And where's the instruction manual?
The starting manuals is here.
Yeah, and the handlebar? Where's the handlebar?
This is.
Wow, is the Finding Dory handlebar? What's in the box? Hi! Hello, Amani! Have you been hiding in the Finding Dory box?
Yeah.
Hey, and who else is inside the box?
Me.
And is that Minnie Mouse hiding with you as well?
Yeah, Minnie Mouse. Where's the first wheel? You helped me as well. This has got this on it.
Amani, are you helping fix the first wheel? Can you do it on your own? Yeah, well done. Is it all nice and tight?
Fix the next wheel. I will do it.
And then?
Now, where's my screwdriver? My screwdriver's over there.
Is it all nice and tight? Nice and tight. Well done. Now put it through here. Put it through the axle.
Axle.
Yeah, put it through there. Now let's put the fourth one on. Amani, can you help me with the screwdriver? Get the screwdriver and tighten it, please. Is it nice and tight?
Yeah.
Yeah, well done.
Slowly.
Done it slowly. Yeah. Okay. All nice and tight.
I'm going to put the handlebar on.
Nice
I
and
did
tight.
it. I'm gonna do this. Nice and tight. I
Yay.
screw it with my
Is it done? Is it done? Look.
screw.
Hey Amani,
Yeah?
is your Finding Dory quad ready for a vroom vroom drive?
Yeah, and the medium.
And the Minnie Mouse. But before we do this, we need to put the stickers on.
Yeah!
Yay! Wow! You want to put the stickers on?
Yeah.
Come on then.
Let Mickey Mouse see.
Okay.
Let's do the first one. No, that's good. Comes in two.
Yay!
Okay. No, let's do this one first.
Oh no, you're crossing with the sticker. Where does this go? Does this go in the back?
That one's for the handlebar, Amani.
Handlebar.
Wait.
Is this for
Wow.
this?
No, that's for the side. Hold on a second.
It's not for the side.
Well done, Amani. Yay. Them fish stickers, they go on the wing mirrors.
Okay. Oh
Yeah. Look.
no.
Yeah.
You haven't got it.
Wow, that looks so nice.
I did it. Now it's
Wow.
not creased. I'm
That
gonna
looks
flatten it
beautiful.
off again.
Do you want to do it again? Yay.
Now I'm gonna put this in the handlebar.
Wow.
There, it's not creased.
Good job.
What did I took off?
What have we taken off there, Amani? Let's have a look. Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that goes on the side.
No. This one.
Yay.
There, it's not creased. It's not. No, it's no.
Are you charging the quad?
Not in here.
Where does it go?
Here.
Oh, I think it goes in there. Well done. Wow, is it all fixed? Yay!
Sit on there.
I can fit on that.
No, every time you do it, like this.
Can you show me how you use it?
Like this, are
And
broken.
then press the gas.
No, I don't want to press.
Is there a button?
No, there's no button. No.
There's no reverse on this one.
No. You can reverse. Even you can do it that way.
We'll go for a test drive.
Yeah. I know. Oh no.
What's happened?
My car.
Hey, you're pushing it. That's cheating. Ah, don't crush me. Whoa. Turn it around. This way, this way, this way. Turn it around.
I'm gonna go for my drive.
Right, go in there. Do a big circle in there.
No.
Like this.
I want to go for my drive, I'm saying.
Come on then.
Come on. Come on.
Yay. Hi, Amani. Are you going for a test drive round the block? Yay! Come here, come here. Oh, well done. Chase me, Amani, chase me. Ah! Yay! Oh no, the quad is stuck. Woo! Amani, shall we park the quad on the driveway? Oh, no. Park it over here. Well done, stop! So stop. Yay!
Now I'm stuck.
See you next time, Amani.
Oh no, I'm stuck. See you next time. See you soon. Bye.
Bye!